I've got you, my friend.
Looks like I owe you one.
Hey, is this place quiet enough?
Go over there. It's more inconspicuous.
Hey, isn't it time you do some explaining? What are you planning to do? You had me go through all this trouble just to hear how you plotted against me?
It's more than just an audio clip. It also includes some data. Ghost, you've probably already noticed, projected for this brat. Don't ignore me.
Hey, how about you show him some respect first? His name's Tethra. Don't forget it.
My ghost wasn't so arrogant. Teach your ghost some manners and obedience.
That's how you treat a servant, not a partner.
So now you care about your ghost's opinion, hmm?
You're impossible.
Stop wasting time. Get your ghost out here now.
I will, but not for you. Tethra, please, for me. What's this?
These marked places are the current locations for all operational energy sources at Jiangxi Metro. Go there and activate my Parhelion wing. It's a prerequisite for the consciousness separation and transfer experiment.
You...
I plan to conduct another procedure to transfer my consciousness away from the relic.
Tethra, why didn't you tell me there was another map?
I don't trust the parasite.
What did you just say?
Ugh! Stop fighting my ghost using my body!
Hold on.
What?
Give me a closer look at that.
What's this? The statue's seen better days. The blizzard in Jiangxi is really something. In honor of the founder of the guerrillas, the savior of Jiangxi, the heroic revolutionary, Lady Sun Yan. Her soul rests here while her compassion burns forever. Who was she? Your Gramps. You know her? Hey! Don't act like you didn't hear me.
She's dead. She's actually dead! That self-righteous ingrate!
So... Lady Sun Yan's the one who betrayed you?
Not only betrayed me for those short-lived ants, but also sacrificed herself for them. It's insufferably stupid.
That's what heroes do, isn't it?
Ah, heroes.
So, was your original plan revenge?
The only fate befitting my enemies is death.
What now then? I mean, you can't exactly get revenge on the dead. Is this it? What do I do?
Put my relic on it.
It's my relic. Geezer, was Lady Sun Yin really that strong?
I'd suggest you worry about yourself first.
I rise again.
My head!
What?
My head is killing me! You sure you didn't mess up somewhere?
Just a tempest in a teapot, brat. Go to the next point.
So it was Lady Sun Yin who founded the guerrillas, huh?
Don't mention that traitor ever again!
Admit it, Fossil. You're just upset because they like your enemy.
I don't care.
I'm still feeling nauseous.
Get over it.
Are you sure you didn't mess up activating the relic? You didn't break it, did you?
It's my relic in the first place. And quit whining, would you? Hold it in. It'll be over soon.
Where's the energy source? Hey, Geezer, you sure that map of yours is right?
Someone moved it.
How do you know?
Look down.
What's this?
A trace of magic.
There's something about it. Something weirdly...
Evil.
Who did it? Fallen again? I'm so sick of those guys.
Follow the trail and we'll find out.
I don't think I've seen traces of anything like this in Jiangxi before. Do you know what they are? You don't, do you? Guess a certain someone isn't as wise and powerful as he thinks he is.
Silence! Whatever this is, it never appeared when I ruled Jiangxi.
Well, regardless of who's behind it, what do they want with the energy source?
There's a light stored within.
Wait, if the light in the energy source goes out, isn't our plan done for?
So you'd better hurry up.
Has this place changed much since your day?
Time has decayed everything. When I ruled here, Jiangxi was never in such a pathetic state.
Here we go again. Boasting time.
I was the lord of Jiangxi. It's an undisputable fact.
Am I supposed to jump down there?
You're afraid of heights?
Huh. I'll show you. You sure that the energy source is in here? What the? So many corpses. What happened? This place gives me the creeps. Old man, you know what this is about?
Be on your guard, brat. This is definitely not the work of the Fallen.
there's something new to do. You want to check it out? I don't...
What were those things? Did you see them? They don't even have eyes. We didn't just encounter some sort of demon, did we?
You're afraid.
No way! Man, why are there so many?
Watch yourself.
She had whatever these things are.
Looks like they've been rooted beneath the icy lake for a while.
Are you sure the energy source is there?
There's no time for you to get cold feet.
What are they doing? That's our energy source.
We must stop them, no matter what.
What the? She's setting us light.
Be careful, Brat. Your own light is being drained too.
A true warlord doesn't die. This is how I slew the Lord of Carrion.
You were nothing but a stepping stone. Shut her up. We done yet? Next time, don't try me. Not again! My head! It's splitting apart! Ah! It hurts!
Endure it, Brat. This is the sensation of our consciousness, separating in the memory core. Hang in there.
What's that noise? She's still alive. I'm gonna die here because of you, you old geezer!
No, you won't.
That was close. What in the world was that thing? I never want to see any three-eyed monsters ever again.
You need more training.
training. No, the problem was your activation method. Maybe you should reflect on that. Though, I felt like my head was gonna explode. There's gotta be something wrong. I should go find a doctor.
I told you not to make a fuss.
Forget it. I'm beat. I'm gonna crash at home.
Now that I think about it, why am I the only one with an animal name?
Over here!
So were you born with two personalities, or...?
No, it's not like that. I just got unlucky is all. First, you have to swear that you'll never tell my secret to Radagast. Or any Iron Lord for that matter. Alright. There's the spirit of a warlord in my head.
A warlord?
You promised me you wouldn't tell Radagast. You're lucky, Wolf. You found your relic right after you were resurrected. Without a relic, it's hard for a light bearer to really use the light. You're looked down on, ignored, laughed at like a defect. I spent a long time looking for a relic. And it was a hard search. Lots of false leads meant to fool me. Self-righteous jerks. But I did find one promising rumor. There was a relic, hidden deep in the ice-clad land to the west. Right. So actually, I've been to Jiangxi Metro before. There were even more falling around back then. I found that building, walked in, opened this tightly closed door, and then I found a dead Exo and his relic.
That sounds a bit too easy.
Exactly. That's the problem. A place of legend, heavily guarded and full of traps. And I just waltzed right in and got the most important thing. That sword. That stupid sword. As soon as I picked it up, the spirit wormed his way into my head and told me he was the previous owner of this relic. Hooray for me! Now I get to live forever with this warlord parasite. Forever! The name of that parasite's Yannick 11, by the way. He was the former ruler of Jiangxi Metro.
The kid trusts you. Me? Not so much. If you reveal this secret, no matter where you run, I will hunt you down and kill you. I'll chop off your hands and feet, then dismantle your ghost piece by piece. Your regret and pain won't cease until you breathe your last.
Go ahead. I'll make sure you get what's coming to you.
What? No way! Radagast would kick me out of Haven for sure. I do not want to sleep in the bushes again. Absolutely not. Besides, I'll have this problem solved before you know it.
What's the plan?
I'm going back to where I found the relic. If there's a way to put a consciousness into my mind, then there's gotta be a way to take it out, right?
This is none of your business, newcomer.
Actually, he's not that bad. I mean, we both want to get out of this mess, so at least we're working towards the same goal, right?
No matter what, if you run into trouble, you can come to me. I won't tell Radagast. Promise.
Thanks, Wolf. You have no idea how good it feels to get this off my chest.
The relic is ready. Time to wrap this up, brat. Return to where you found this sword, so I can separate our consciousness once and for all.
It's a dead end.
I know another route. This way.
So, after this we can finally part ways?
Yes.
Feels weird. I mean, I've been looking forward to it, don't get me wrong, but it's still awkward.
Already missing me?
As if. Oh, this place. This is where you screwed me over, geezer.
You're the one who invaded my turf and stole my property, thief!
You've been dead for ages! Better for the Parhelion wing to be in use than get... So, how does this thing work?
Leave it to me.
Parhelion wing detected. Please log in with operator name.
Yannick 11.
Voice print recognized. Matching. Match confirmed. Welcome, Lord Yannick.
Wow, it still runs.
AI, run a scan on the Parhelion wing.
Unit detected. Initiating scan. Scan complete. 2 consciousnesses detected. Consciousness A, unknown light bearer. Consciousness B, Lord Yannick.
I'm ready. Separate us now. But where's your new body?
AI, connect to the memory core. Retain my consciousness and overwrite that of the unknown Lightbearer.
What?
Overriding process will be initiated soon. Please confirm the consciousness that you would like to retain.
You're trying to kill me? This is no separation procedure. It's a trap! You've been lying this whole time?
You should have died the moment you touched the Parhelion wing, brat.
I trusted you. Thought you were different. Have you been using me all this time?
There's no point in talking about this now.
New input detected. Would you like to switch to another option?
No.
Transmitting to the mainframe.
No. I'm not giving up here.
Warning, unidentified intrusion. Please remove interference immediately.
Nobody's ruining this!
Drop dead, Yannick! In the end, you're nothing more than a lying snake! A backstabber! You're no different from the people you hate! You deserve to rot here and be forgotten by everyone!
There's no turning back. Not anymore.
I rise again.
Confirmation complete. Please launch the program manually on the mainframe. The consciousness that you chose will provide full coverage of the memory core.
Get lost. Do not interfere.
Emergency instruction received. Commencing heat sterilization.
What have you done?
Sterilization completed.
You cocky little...
He who laughs last, laughs best. Tan, it's your only chance.
Get out of here, geezer!
We've made quite the commotion. Stay alert.
Perfect! I've got plenty of fight left in me.
We're safe now.
So, what should we do, Tethra?
I reset the program's progress.
Overriding process will be initiated soon. Please confirm the consciousness that you would like to retain.
Head over there.
Wait, you don't mean... You're gonna delete Yannick? Tethra, can't you just shut it down?
I don't have permission.
But...
Press the button, choose yourself, and the parasite will be gone for good. Your wish will come true.
But I never wanted Yannick dead.
Even if he wanted you dead?
But he's also saved me. Loads of times, you know.
Confirmation complete. Please launch the program manually on the mainframe. The consciousness that you chose will provide full coverage of the memory core.
What's stopping you from pushing that button? The victor becomes king. The defeated an outlaw. Now that I am an outlaw, you can simply delete me. The choice is obvious, isn't it?
So why did you hesitate before?
Once this process begins, there is no stopping it. Time to make a choice, kid.
Why does it have to be one or the other? There has to be another way. Won't let me draw my sword? Then I'm gonna smash all this junk!
Stop! The energy will overload.
Do you have a death wish?
I'm not a coward like you!
Why are you doing this?
Because I'm not you! I'm 10-2, and I'm calling the shot!
Warning, energy overload. Reading error. Barrier lifted. Violent reaction imminent. Warning, danger. Disconnect immediately.
The barrier's up. Get the Parhelion wing. We can't let more energy flood in. Pull the sword out!
My hand!
You can't take any more of this, brat. You wouldn't be putting your life on the line right now had you chosen to delete me.
Why? Did you...
You really are. Consider this a debt repaid.
Warning, violent reaction beginning.
In the end, it was all for nothing.
Wake up. Wake up, Jack.
What just happened? Yannick? Hey, old man, where are you?
He's no longer in your memory core.
Hey, Yannick! Don't you dare play dead, you old geezer!
Tan, let's go before we're attacked. He won't be coming back.
Lord Saladin.
The Sand Eaters recently sent a horde of troops to the Weathered Caves, and their harvesters have been bringing containers there as well. We currently don't know what's inside of them, but Viridia's scouts can't get any closer.
What's our plan?
Wipe them out before they finish building fortifications. The Weathered Caves are too close to Viridia. We can't sit by and let them take root there.
Leave it to me. What was that?
Someone was a step ahead of us. Stay alert.
Whoever they were, they showed no mercy to these Cabal. Look, instead of using firearms, they ripped apart these soldiers' armor with brute force. They fought like a hungry tiger.
Any chance this ravenous beast is on our side?
How bad can someone really be if they're giving the Cabal a hard time?
I'll reserve my judgment for now. Sand Eater reinforcements!
They'll regret this. Over here. More signs of a fight.
They've been building their outpost faster than Saladin expected.
We need to figure out their intentions.
Watch out!
Someone closer in stature would make for a more worthy opponent, no?
Hey, big guy. Where'd you come from?
Let me deal with this rabble first. Are you alright?
I'm fine. Thanks for the help.
Were you the one who killed those Cabal out there?
Yes, that was me.
Luck really wasn't on their side. I'm Wolf. This is my ghost, Zev.
I'm Xuan Wei from Samarkand.
Samarkand? I remember that's Lord Tamir's territory. Are you one of his light bearers here to meet Lord Saladin?
No, we were just passing by. It's getting late. We should be on our way now.
How about taking a rest in Viridia? It's not safe around here at night.
That's kind of you, but we can take care of ourselves.
Just wondering, where are you guys going?
We're heading toward the sea out west. To a place without war.
A place without war. I don't know if a place like that really exists, to be honest.
Then we will keep going until we find it. Farewell, Wolf.
What a peculiar light bearer. He seemed to be hiding something.
Lord Saladin, we've eliminated the Sand Eaters in the weathered caves, but it seems they've created a new weapon that can temporarily suppress light. I got some basic parameters from scanning. We'll need a specialist to look at them, though.
Send me the data. I know who might be able to help.
We also met a light bearer who claimed to be from Samarkand. The way he thrashed those Cabal was impressive, but his people skills, not so much.
Samarkand? What a coincidence. Come meet Agni. She's one of Lord Timur's Tiger's Claws.
The light bearer we ran into was called Xuan Wei. Do you know him?
Yes! Finally, I found him. Where is he now?
He only said he's heading west. To be frank, he seemed uneasy.
Why don't you just contact him?
The General and Knack have gone radio silent.
Why would they do that?
It's a long story. I want to investigate those weathered caves you mentioned.
As I said, I wouldn't recommend that you go alone. I'll have my people keep an eye out for Xuan Wei. In the meantime, you should stay here inside the barrier, where it's safe.
Your advice is appreciated, Lord Saladin, but finding the General is our priority. No time to waste now. I'll be on my way.